Oh yeah. We'll get ready to head out up the studs real quick. Alright YouTube, we made it up here. Oh, there's that iceberg, that bike that's like the Grom. I want to check that out in a minute. So my bike made it. All the mini bikes are up here. Got a nice bike going on. Let's go take a look at that. Yeah. So you got a cam and everything in that? Yeah. That's what I want to do to mine one day.
Yeah, it's a big bore stroker movie.
Okay. Is that a Tecumseh? Is it a Briggs Stratton?
Honda.
Honda? Yep. All right.
That's our life as a Honda.
Sweet. Real sweet. Right. I like that green one. Check out that doggone iceberg next. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Yeah, it's a Mercedes. That is right.
It's also a Tesla SS.
All right. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
No.
All right. This is a micro scale garage. We do RC cars, go-karts, mini bikes, everything on our channel. Check us out.
Okay.
But how long did it take you to build your bike?
10 weeks.
10 weeks?
3 years ago.
Beautiful.
A lot of changes as time goes on.
You got working lights? That's what I got to get on mine next, is working lights.
This is the challenge, mountain glass to steel.
Without cracking, huh?
That's a glass insulator. No utility poles.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
All for looks, not fast, but it looks.
Yeah, it's just for cruising and relaxing. That's right. I love it. I love it. That's a beautiful bike.
Thank you. Pull tab. This motherfucker dirty.
Yeah. Yeah. Collect those?
I wanted something different, and Stroh's I don't think to make, and I grew up with pull tabs. Secondhand store, 50 cents.
That's a classic right
so
there.
It's in my cup holder.
My wife would love seeing that can.
Yeah, cup holder.
Yep. That's awesome.
I thought about getting a clear hose and putting tea in there and putting the other end of the hose on a binky and sticking my mouth as I'm riding.
That way you don't have to take a drink, you know,
right.
one-handed off your handlebars. You got both hands for safe riding. That's right. Super thinking. I love the braided lines you got going on there. It's so, like, that's industrial. I like that.
Well, it's refrigeration valve. It's all looks.
Okay.
None of it's functional.
All right.
The pocket watch chain. It's just on here for look.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe I need to bring mine out.
That's awesome.
Spark plug wire.
Yeah, and it's going to the spark plug. Yeah, that's awesome.
That's a welding tip. Brass doorknob.
I love this bike more and more that you talk about it. That's where your battery is?
Yep, that's for my brake light.
All right.
Recognize that?
Yep.
They're in season right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's time to cut that grass. That's right.
So,
oh.
my first time up here.
Yeah, this is my first time up here too.
I'm old enough for handicap guys.
Yeah. That's awesome. I love it.
Thank you.
I might have to move my bike out of the way. They're bringing all their beauties in.
Uh-oh, that's not a good sound.
Yeah.
Not the kind of friend you want.
No, no. Thank you very much, though. You got an awesome bike.
Thank you.
What do you guys got going on over here? How's it going, Antoine?
Man, what's up?
Micro Scale Garage.
Oh, okay.
You don't mind being on YouTube, dude?
I don't care, man.
You want to tell me about your bike?
Well, Brad, where's Brad? There it is. I bought it from Brad, but we've been working on it, changed a few things on it. But
So he's the bike builder that helped build all these, or I see there's like a style with him, you know?
no, not really. How many do you work on out here?
If I have my hands on
That's not a good thing, though.
5 so far.
Yeah? That's awesome. Snowmobile motor on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick, man.
Max 500.
500cc?
Yeah.
Awesome. You built this one?
Yeah.
AJB's help.
All right. That's epic right there, man. Got a wheelie bar on there, that way it don't stand up and you can be safe and get all the speed you need.
I can't wrap my mind around 3 weeks. It was like night and day, man. That's just savage.
It was an everyday motherfucking process.
It had to be.
I swear to God, I spent so much money on gas going out to Frank's house every fucking day. I swear to God, I spent I drove probably like 1,000 miles in 3 weeks. A couple days, like maybe a week ago and shit like that.
You don't even need brakes.
It worked. Oh, it worked. Them brakes work, boy.
Yeah. He's like, I made sure that the brakes work.
Work.
Yeah.
I tell you, you can see them bitches move. The whole motherfucker moves when I'm over here getting that bitch.
Yeah, that's good right there.
It's a Harrison, been widened,
But once I
all
cut
custom shit done to it.
it's not working anymore.
My machine work, custom parts. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's right. I love the fatty tires on there. Give you a nice cushion ride and everything too.
Oh yeah. She steers a little goop. You got to get used to it because they don't want to pull it.
Who made that thing?
You like that, don't you?
I love that.
One off. There'll never be another one made unless you find someone.
I'll make it.
I make 3D prints.
I got you. Yeah, that's all doing.
All right.
I figured.
That's nice.
I gave him the
figured.
tank and he beveled it.
Got a little
Yeah,
CNC
there you go.
machine.
Try to market that?
What's that?
AJ didn't try to market that?
Dude, that ran on the machine for 8 hours.
Yep.
God.
And imagine the cost if it wasn't his shop.
Yep.
But yeah.
Yeah, I know. I like that. I like that. That's sweet. I like the carbon fiber sleeves you got in there.
Thanks.
That's a nice touch right there.
So we had to have these wide 1 inch from the factory
Okay.
size because the guy makes them, but he had to make a whole new mold and everything.
Because
I needed it to be 1 inch wider.
now is that a special width rim right there? Is that a custom rim?
Well, they're just off of the mini chopper, and my buddy machined down the casting and made the hubs
Okay.
to make it work for this project.
Sweet.
So it's pretty much everything's worn off.
Yeah.
Everything's been widened. All the stuff's been changed. Really, the only thing stock left is the frame rate.
Okay.
That's how the boom like was.
Engine plate, fender bracket, the foot bar. Put all these together after AJ made them.
And this is his little brother. This is his little brother right here, right?
Yeah, that's my nephew. He's 6, and he fell in love with this one, so I built it there.
That's awesome.
That's why it's called Mini Rig.
That's awesome.
I didn't find another one. You need one.
And then the pink one, that's that one.
My daughter.
All right.
One of them.
Okay. That's awesome.
But, yeah, I cut
Next level minis. All right, let's check out this ice bear I keep staring at. It's got a moped motor instead of an actual like Honda motor on it. It's almost like a Grom. The tire seems to be a little bit bigger than the Grom. Looks like a lot of people are up here, and they're starting to get up here, and a lot more bikes up here. So, got this MB200 here. That's a nice bike. Let's check out some more people's builds, and we're going inside and check out the store real quick. Christine wants one of these real bad. This is real nice. It's got the dump bed. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right, micro scale garages. Here's the go-kart. This one's smaller than the XRS mid. Or no, it might be the same size as mine. This one's got the full plastics on it. This one's a Trailmaster Blazer 200R. Yeah, this one's the same size, and this one's got reverse. This one's really nice. I like this one. That one is probably zoom around the track.